heaping up of future suffering. And further, people take the evil way in deeds, the evil way in words, the evil way in thoughts. And by taking the evil way in deeds, words, and thoughts, at the dissolution of the body after death, they fall into a downward state of existence, a state of suffering into perdition and the abyss of hell. But this is the misery of sensuous craving, the heaping up of suffering in the future life due to sensuous craving, conditioned through sensuous craving, caused by sensuous craving, entirely dependent on sensuous craving, not in the air, nor ocean midst, nor hidden in the mountain clefts. Nowhere is found a place on earth where man is freed from evil deeds. Well, it could be freed in life, right? Freed in life. And I'm trying to think of the Zoroastrian phrase, but good thoughts, good words, good deeds. That is key. Because one thing leads to another.